Hey, I'm Von Schnackpaul, and I'm the representative of Waterboys Education Incorporated. I am presenting Waterboys LMS. Here at Waterboys Education Incorporated, we were tasked with making a product that would be a learning management system. One with the primary goal of allowing students to learn the basics of programming in a comfortable setting. Our main requirements in making this LMS were to allow students to learn different programming languages at their own pace, primarily through presenting different modules of information, as well as testing their capabilities through assessments. Our LMS was also to have the functionality of allowing teachers to come and create courses, including making these descriptive modules, as well as these assessments for students in the different classes. With that being said, let's get straight into our program. And I'd like to show you why to invest in our program. Okay. So as we can see, this is our main screen right here. This is what you see when you essentially open the app. We have our mission statement right up here, and a menu where you can log in, sign up, look at reviews, support. Here's where you're going to submit a ticket talking about bugs in the app. Signing up, you put in all your necessary information here. We're going to go ahead and log in. We're going to enter Luke Kinsley. And we're going to log in as a student. Okay. As you can see, it says welcome, Luke. Here in our home screen, we see two courses right here. Intro to JavaScript and Python in the modern world. We're not doing too well in either of those classes, as you can see, but we're making good progress in both of those classes. But as you can see, we have different grades in our different modules, as well as each of our modules, different titles, as well as the instructor teaching each class, as well as the title. Okay. Now, if we go to our different courses menu, we can see the other different courses that we're enrolled in. That on the home screen, we can only see two because we've only started working on two of them. But the other two we have been working on. We have not been working on it. Okay. So if we want to actually go through a course, we can click it right here. And then we can go through different modules. History of Python, and then there's a lot of information here about the history of Python as compared to other languages. And then these next and previous module buttons are just going to take us like to different modules that we have in the software. Next module is going to be Python Workplace. Again, click next module, loops in Python, giving us the overview of loops. Again, next module, when and when not to use loops. Again, next module. Have fundamental data analysis. Once we go here, this is our last module. So we're going to go take a quiz here. What is the difference between descriptive and inferential statistics? I'm just going to click A. Well, let's click B. So that's incorrect. Okay, now I have the opportunity to take the quiz again. Now I know it's not B, so I'm going to click A. It's correct. So yeah, it takes me back to the module screen. Now I have the option to, using the sidebar menu here, I can go to the home, which we already saw, the courses, which we already saw, and then certificates. As you can see, if we click on JavaScript, we see that there's a certificate awarded in our name for completing JavaScript. And with our course, go back to our courses now. We can look at settings. We can type in our password here. We have a change password feature. Let's see what else we have. And then we have a logout feature, which takes us back to our main screen as a student. Okay, so now we've logged out. So that was our app as a student. Let's go through our app as a teacher. James Madison, and then his passwords, maybe Constitution. Log in as a teacher. Okay. You can see here are the courses that we're currently teaching. I'm teaching Intro to JavaScript as well as Python in the modern world. Have a lot of students in each class, you know. So let's go through our courses. So as we can see, I can go through this course right here, and I can go through the courses that I'm looking at, that I'm currently teaching. Basically the same as the students. Okay. And then we also have the same functionality of the settings, changing the password. We can log out again. And then, yeah, I really think that anyone that's looking to implement a software that teaches students how to code, I think they should definitely invest in Waterboys LMS. This is just a prototype of what our code could do. Given the right amount of time and resources, we could expand this to include many more languages to make this much more accessible to people and overall make it a success. So yeah, thank you.